find the right words. And there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna go ahead and pick these up real quick. Heading out to the barbecue with New Era Muscle, and we're getting gas as well. We got a stereo with us today. All right, guys, so we got a full tank of gas. We're actually heading out to Madera for the barbecue. Got a little bit of candies to get us through, and we're about 30 minutes out, so we're like an hour late, but it's at one of our members' houses, so it's not like a big deal right now. All right, guys, so we're just pulling up right now. You can go ahead and see all the other Mustangs pulled up right there. Oh, so we just got done eating, chilling. What? What are you doing? Just trying to pull it. Just trying to help you out. Up every time. You don't have to like. There's no like in between. So then push 1, 2, and when you restart, you have to go all the way back down.
You should have crashed. That would have been good YouTube content.
I told you, got stuck.
No, you had all this time to think about turning.
I was just like, yo, it's not stopping. Alright, so we're actually heading out to the meet right now. They're downloading an app. Everyone's gonna use a walkie-talkie app. We need actual walkie-talkies. Definitely something we're gonna be getting in the future.
Who has the address?
You guys don't have it on enough.
No. We'll follow you.
Alright, so the roll-in was supposed to be like at 7, but I don't even know, honestly. So this is all us right here, but they just pulled in right now. We'll see if it actually gets popping in like another hour or something. The cop just rolling in right now. We're gonna see what he does. He's rolling. Yep, he's gonna go straight into it.
Oh, they wanted to race him?
They wants to race the white one.
Oh, they're being trailer here.
Yeah, he's like, I don't know about that anymore. Hey, is this your boy or what?
Yeah, it's the one I told you.
Shit. Yeah, it's confirmed. This is the one. What's up? You guys want it or what? Yeah, that's what he said.
You want to go or what? Huh? You want to go there real quick or not? What do you guys want to do there?
We're going to go chill there for a little bit, and then after that, until we get kicked out, or depends on how it looks, then we're going to go. There's no cops there now.
Well, I don't got it.
Alright guys, so right now we're actually rolling out to another meet. We got the Hellcat right there, and we're just all rolling out. pulling into the second meet. As you guys saw, we had a couple fun runs on the way here in Mexico, and now we're just gonna go ahead and pull up and hang out until we see what happens tonight. Hey, yeah, what the? It was never that close before.
Well, I depend on when I was doing like lower rolls.
Yeah.
I was always doing it in third.
Oh.
And adding my second in my I got 4,000.
Damn, dude.
So
yeah, I was like,
good.
damn. I wasn't expecting that close.
Yeah. And I still spin a little bit.
I went all the way to fifth.
I want to fit too.
I was like
$4.
Yeah. As soon as all right, so the cops just came. I like how you guys warned me. So we got the cops over there kicking us out. It's all good because we're about to go to another spot. Anyways,
We've been here for like 9 minutes.
9 minutes.
We walked in Save Mart, walked out. Time to go. We drove over here just to come to the Chowchilla Save Bar.
Well, actually, are you gonna go or no?
I'll go, maybe.
You can just go chill. That's a burnout. Thank you. All right, so that's it for the night. We all met up here, so we're just gonna go ahead and call it a night, and we'll see what happens. But I'm gonna go ahead and hang out with Luis and Max back in Fresno. So with that being said, we're done with Mexico for the night, and we'll see you guys next video.
Peace out.